Hey guys, good morning. Just want to make a quick video and talk about the so-called healthy meal prep and where it's at today in 2022. It's gotten pretty weird, but let me back it up a step. I started the healthy meal preparation company, Healthy Meals Direct, in 2009. I started this company out of necessity. I was a personal trainer, living the life, had the backstory, was almost 300 pounds at one point, took the weight off. Naturally, people are intrigued by that. They want to hear what I have to say. They want to train with me. They want my meal plans. They just want to learn how it works, because it obviously worked for me. My clients weren't able to keep up with the meal plans I was writing for them. They said they had kids and work and they got to cook for the family. They couldn't isolate themselves and only make food for themselves. So I started making food for them. Real basic menu. You had, brown rice, chicken, turkey, asparagus, real simple stuff. Fast forward to 2022. So-called healthy meal prep now has been brought to my attention. People send me pictures and things, and they only do so because I'm, one of the pioneers of this thing. Remember, 2009, there's no such thing. I kind of got it popular, and definitely around these parts here in Long Island. So people send me pictures and say, Mike, how is this healthy meal prep? I see there's a burrito with rice in it. So that's a double carb. The tortilla, it has carbohydrates, and then you put more carbs inside of it and a little bit of meat. And I understand why it happens. The M in meat is for money. So if you wanna have more profit, don't put meat in the burrito, or put a little bit of meat in the burrito and use a filler like rice. Rice is so inexpensive, it's almost like it's free. So that's a business savvy strategy. Make it look like you're getting the right amount of food for your money, although it's cheap carbohydrates. Another thing that came onto the scene is the overnight oats. Overnight oats are very popular. You can go on YouTube. There's a lot of recipes for overnight oats. A lot of healthy recipes. You got to look at the ingredients. There's some oatmeal, there's chia seeds, protein powder, maybe almond milk, sugar alternative, stuff like that. But people will send me pictures of overnight oats with children's cereal in there, and it's sold under the pretense of healthy meal prep. I've seen fried chicken and waffles. I've seen that was probably the craziest thing, fried chicken and waffles. I've seen, McDonald's makes unhealthy food. I think they make some salad sometimes, but never mind that. They make unhealthy fried chicken wraps and things like that. And so does Chick-fil-A. I've seen copycats of those, and then sold under the pretense of healthy meal prep. So that's why I said meal prep in 2022 is wild. And there are people out there that sign up and subscribe to the idea of healthy meal prep, and they put their faith in these companies, and they'll buy the healthy meal prep, and nothing's happening. Meaning that their goal is to lose weight, they're not losing weight. There's characters, and characters are people that are in character, they're playing a role, that get behind certain products, like, here, eat this healthy chicken and waffle and look like me. Meanwhile, they're juiced out of their faces, very muscular. They look like they could be on the front cover of a magazine, but it's misleading and it's deceptive. I'm gonna make more videos on this because it's never ending. This wild circus and zoo of healthy meal prep, where we're at in 2022. So look forward to those videos. If you have an opinion or anything on anything I said, comment below.